Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have unboxing of one more Crompton Greaves Trans Air 300mm. So last time when I unboxed this 300mm 12 inches one, it was really pathetic because the quality was less. The video was 30 minutes long, so that was really bad for the comments. And so I'm with the same one. So watch it here. This is the other one, other exhaust, not the same exhaust. So it's double ball bearings, hub based design. Double ball bearing best exhaust fan. Never buy bush based, like the one made with bushes, because that die and the bushes normally jam. So only buy double ball bearing. Hub based design, you know that. High performance, epoxy powder coated. Finishing is good. Bird screen for protection. That is, there is a grill that will protect from pigeons and other birds, or like say lizards and all in your kitchen or wherever you install, warehouse, everywhere you can install it. So it's available in 6 inches, 150mm, 225mm, 9 inches, 300mm, and that is 12 inches. So I have unboxed one 12 inches, two 9 inches. So 3 unboxing videos are already there on the channel. This is the 4th one. So I'll be putting the links of all the other 3 in the description. Do go and watch them and comment there, ask your doubts. So now coming to this part. So let's see here. So here you can see it is Solon made and the MRP is 2,820 rupees. This is manufactured in 11 November 2021. So this is 2,820 MRP, but I got it for 1,800 rupees in the offline market near me. So now, without wasting much time, let's start unboxing it. Give me a minute. So let me tell you that the warranty card is not here right now because the warranty card was removed at the shop, and I also checked the fan. The performance really awesome. It's working because the warranty card was needed for this purpose, as you know. So you can see this is the Solon Trans Air, best Trans Air, better than Navi Mumbai quality, because those are having welding issues and external issues. Sorry for the kicking the box. So these are the part, like the cardboards. You need to keep them properly. If you need to again resell the fan, or else you have to store the fan, do not mess with the fan. Install it properly. So these are the cardboard given protections. I liked it a lot because this makes sure that your fan is completely safe, and even though the export quality is bad, it makes sure that your fan is still kept safely inside, no matter what the transport quality and the person is handling the box in the way. You can see the finishing here. It's looking quite awesome. I cannot I don't have any words to say how good it is looking. You can see in this video you can actually realize the color. In the last 12 inches video it was low quality, so couldn't understand that, so sorry for that. And with this another again. So now this is the bird screen. You can see the hub. This is the hub, the circular part on which the blades are there. This is called as hub. So you can see Crompton logo here. This is the bird screen, really good quality. Paint is also quite good. This will look good everywhere. This is somewhat grayish brown color. The Navi Mumbai manufactured is something like dark brownish color shade. So in my area those are stopped. Now let's come to this part. This is the model code on this paper thing, and the blades are so thick. This hub is square shape. You can see this is square. So this is the difference between this, and the blade is really thick. You can see it's not at all moving, and this is really best quality, like the 90s Trans Airs and all. So, let's coming on the label. This is Trans Air 12 inches. Voltage is 220 to 240. This is 300mm, that is 12 inches. RPM is 1400 RPM. Quite awesome. Watt is 70 watt. So it's quite best to work on 70 watts. So you can see the build quality is really awesome. These are screws given, and the rubber is not full. This is a benefit because the full rubbers on heating in the bath, you can say bathroom fumes and the moisture of the bathroom, or else the kitchen heat or oily, that breaks the rubber here, and because of that the rubber and oil becomes really shabby, and you can say it becomes really bad. So this half rubber has a benefit that even if the legs become dirty, this will not be destroyed, because the same transfer that I have been using it in kitchen for 2 years now, and after 2 years also the rubber is still intact. So this is the another one. After 2 years I was satisfied to buy, so I bought one more. So I won't be able to show you the installation because of some reasons. I'll be showing the performance right now. So let me make the arrangements first and like show you the performance of the fan. So let me do it quickly. So now let's switch on the fan. So the speed is really awesome. Now you might feel it is a bit slow because the bearings are not yet free. This is the brand new fan, so the bearings are normally tight. The same happened with the another Trans Air, that the old one I have. It took almost 2 to 3 months in the kitchen to like the loosen of the bearings. After that the speed increased. Now the speed is around 1300 rpm for sure. So it will rise till 1400 very soon, 1400 or 1380 as per the catalog. So no issues. Now let me flip the fan because now it's not retaining the speed because of the fan on the ground. This is the upper side where the, like you can see from here the exhaust. This is the interior part of the kitchen. From inside this will be put. The air will go here and it will thrown out of. Let me flip it up. So now this is the thing you can see. Now let me switch it on. Now it's taking RPM. It's quite fast, like compared to the present condition it's quite fast. It's moving on its own because the 4 blades are like really heavy and the fan speed is more, so this normally moves. So don't try to move it like run it in this way. If you run it in this way, please hold it or else like it may fly away or else it may fall. So you need to make sure you have put the fan on the support, and I have put a cardboard down so that the motor cover doesn't get scratches. Now let me show you the performance. Really awesome. Looks really nice. This is the fan. Now let me switch it on, switch it off, and remove the bird screen. This is the bird screen. I'll be removing this bird screen and showing you the performance again. Let me do it fast. So now you can see the fan bird screen is removed. Let me tell you something. The bird screen nowadays, new ones have these screws. You can remove the logo off and then clean it, because after becoming greasy, people directly wash clean this and the logo can sometimes go. So I request remove this, properly clean it, and then again put the logo here for like the brand name to like last for many years. It's on you now what to do. This is the quarter pin, you can see now, quarter pin and the safety. So this is the build quality, quite good. Now let me switch it on. So it's running awesome. So that's really awesome performance. I love the performance again. I'm really satisfied with the second one which I've tried. I have two 9 inches one, like as I showed you the under unboxing now, and one the 12 inches also, and this is the again one more here. So I'm like really fond of buying this. It's a good purchase. I recommend you to purchase. So now let me show you what's happening is, now the Aura 2, the Aura Duratec, that is rotating on its speed. So this is the Aura 2. This you have seen on my channel. This is rotating because of the Trans Air right now. So you can see how strong this fan is. So now let me bring the another Trans Air, the old one, the 2 years back one. I have uninstalled it and like cleaned it. Let me show the condition of that, performance of that also with this together performing. Let me show you that. So give me a second. You can see this is just really awesome. So guys, now I have the older Trans Air, like the one unboxed 2 years back. This is the same one, this is new. You can see the rubber half here. So as I told you, I have cleaned this 2 times. Okay, so you can see the grease a bit here, still it's there. This is the kitchen used fan. So it's like, it's really shabby. You might have seen the YouTube shorts I have put. The condition was really dirty. So you can see this is really shiny. This has faded up. This has faded because of the wash using the Scotch Brite or this. Now if I apply the hair oil, you have seen hair oil, you can apply it with a cloth or something, and then again this will gain the same shine. I am purposely not doing it because I will be again putting it in the kitchen. But if you want to bring the shine back, you can try this technique what I told. You can apply a hair oil on this and the color will be completely exactly same back. There will be same shine. And the bird screen of the bird screen is like kept somewhere safely. That is completely clean, brand new condition. You can see the same thing. Nothing is different. This thing is 2 years back old. The label is a bit gone, Trans Air 12 inches. Rest everything is completely same. This is, you can see the square the square hub. Now let me test this one also. You will understand how the speed increased. This was also having really low speed at the start. Like when I had purchased, I was really disappointed. Then in future, after few months, this started gaining the speed because of the new bearings. So this is a 2020 piece. This is a 2019 piece. This is 2021 piece. Like the late 2019, late 2021. So now let me plug this also in and then let me show you. So now both of them are connected. Let me switch on. Now you see the RPM, the speed, the noise and everything, and you will understand how this becomes. This took out torque fast. This is struggling to run fast. This is too fast. The speed of this is really higher than this. You won't realize it. You saw this performance. If you did not see, rewind the video again and see this. Now let me remove this out and let me show this fan's performance. Now let me switch this on. Too fast. Really too fast. Let me flip it up. You can see the blades, the fan looks awesome. So this is the thing. Now let me switch it on. It's running so very fast, I cannot even tell you. This is really faster than this one. I'm sure this will also become in the same speed very soon. Awesome performance, best exhaust fan. So if you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. If you like the comparison, do tell me. And you have already seen the used product also and the new product also. So this will make sure that you can buy this fan without any problem, because I have myself used it in kitchen and this was so heavily used, I cannot even express. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe and do purchase this fan. It's on Flipkart also, you can buy this. And don't buy Navi Mumbai manufactured. That fan burns up due to some issues, factory issues. So buy this Solent manufactured Trans Air. Link in the description for this fan's unboxing. Thanks for watching.